In this video, we're going to do some basic algebra substitution. So when A equals 3, B equals 4, C equals 5, and D equals 0, find the values of. So let's look at the first one. Now what I like to do is I like to put a parentheses everywhere there's a variable. So I'm just going to make a parentheses here for all of the variables. Now we know that A is 3, so I'm going to put 3 in for A. B is 4. C is 5, and D is 0. So now all we have to do is basically the orders of operations. 10 times 3 is 30. 4 times 4 is 16. Negative 5 times 5 is negative 25. Plus 3 times 0 is 0. Well, we don't have to write the 0 there, but that's okay. So now I'm going to work left to right. So 30 plus 16 is 46 minus 25. Okay, so let's do that. 46 minus 25 is 21. And that's our answer for the first one. Let's look at the second one. Once again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put a parentheses around every variable. Now, one thing to remember is what parentheses is what variable, right? Okay, so A is 3. So I have an A here and an A here. B is 4, so I have a B here. C is 5, so I have a C here and a C here. And finally, D is 0. Everything's filled in, so let's do this. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 4 is 60. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10 times 0. Well, that's 0. So I'm just going to put 0 there for now. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 times 5 is negative 45. So we're going to have 60 minus 45. So let's do that on the side here. 60 minus 45. We're going to have 15. So it looks like our answer is 15. Let's look at number 3. Now I'm going to erase a little bit here, give us some more room. Once again, I'm going to put a parentheses for every variable. Now you're going to notice that I kept my original parentheses there. That's important. A is 3, B is 4. Now orders of operations say we have to do what's in parentheses first. So we have to do this first. So I'm just going to rewrite it because we have 3 plus 4 in here, minus 5. All right, 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay, we have to do multiplication division before addition subtraction. So 7 times 5. 5 times 7, pardon me, is 35. Minus 5 is 30. Now let's look at the last one. So once again, I'm going to erase a little bit here. I'm going to have 6 parentheses minus 2 parentheses plus 3 parentheses minus parentheses. Now what I recommend is filling in the numerator or the top first, because if I have a whole bunch of numbers and parentheses in the numerator, whole bunch of numbers, parentheses in the denominator, it's just going to get too confusing. So let's fill in the numerator. A is 3, B is 4, C is 5, and D is 0. All right, now let's do the denominator. 2 times A, another parentheses, minus a parentheses, plus a parentheses. All right, A is 3, B is 4, C is 5, and D is 0. Okay, great. I'm just going to move it up here. 6 times 3 is 18. So I'm just doing the numerator right now. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. 3 times 5 is 15. And then minus 0, well, that's just 0. So we're not even going to write 0. In the bottom are the denominator. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 4, minus 5, plus 0. Okay. In the numerator now, we need to do orders of operations. So we're going to take 18 minus 8, which is 10. Okay. And in the denominator, or the bottom, 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, 10 plus 15 is 25. 10 minus 5 is 5. And if we can reduce it, we want to reduce it. And 25 divided by 5 is 5. And you did it. Good job.